Hello. If you don't mind, for the next few minutes, I will take you on a little trip in what I call my ManhattanHenge, a term that I've been using ever since I moved here. Now we are spinning around the zenith. All Manhattan is passing us by. From my roof on the west side, I mapped the ground all around and added it to the Stellarium software, a planetarium app, which I will use all along this video. I will share a few of my highlights. Let's go. Venus was very bright this last fall, and the Stellarium simulation matched pretty well the picture that I took that evening. Another Venus sighting on the west during last May's conjunction. You can see Venus at the bottom next to a little cloud, and zooming up to the Moon and Mercury, we can see the Earth shine on the shadowy part of the Moon. 9 years ago, in 2012, Venus passed in front of the Sun in the west, just before sunset. Next time this happens will be in 2117. It was cloudy that day, but I was lucky enough to be able to peek through the cloud. Turning to the southeast, we can find Jupiter on the top of the spire on the left. This spire makes for perfect markers to count the days. Next, this phenomena is perfect to demonstrate in Stellarium. Look at the bottom of the screen. The day, the months, the time don't change. Only year, and after 4 years it resets itself. Fomalhaut is back on top of the spire. What are we looking at? We are witnessing the 4-year leap year phenomena. If it wasn't for it, the stars will get out of sync with the season. Further in the east, we witness a moon rising between the building. Now, just imagine that this is not the sky moving. We are moving. The moon pass in the sky varies wildly month to month. It takes an 18-year cycle to reset itself. It's called the Platonic year. Here is another full moon. Later in the night, another day. This picture was taken during the last moon eclipse. As it was a particularly clear night, I could see the stars and constellations in which the eclipse was staged. At right is the red moon, and then to the left of it Aldebaran in Taurus, and further Betelgeuse and Rigel in Orion. The moon is in the left part of Taurus, and up in its shoulder you can find the Pleiades. Finally, we look at the sky as it will be, without all the surrounding lights, on Christmas Eve at midnight. There are 9 bright stars straight above us. I'll start at Capella in Auriga, just left of center, and go clockwise down to Aldebaran in Taurus, Betelgeuse and Rigel in Orion, the last 2 constellations we saw before, Sirius in Canis Major, also known as the Dog Star, the brightest stars in the northern hemisphere, Protean in Canis Minor, Castor and Pollux in Gemini, back to Capella. You can also see many other constellations that you may recognize by their figure. I wish you all a merry and very, very dark Christmas
and holiday season.